Here we go again. How did I end up with that? Hey, there's my painting from the other day. Look at all the silicone on there I need to wash off once the rest of the paint completely dries. Alright, let's find out how I got to that picture in the beginning. This painting, 3 colors. Those 3 primary colors. Pinkish red, blue, and yellow. They will mix together to create orange, green, and purple. Along with black around the edges because I'm going to use black to swipe. Originally I was going to do a chameleon swipe, then as always changed my mind mid-paint. So I'm using this paint scraper slash paint smoother, and as you see right there, it must have a bend in the middle because it is not equally distributing the swipe. My solution, multiple swipes. Why not? Nothing ever goes as planned. Even if I go through step by step and do every step exactly as I want, it's not going to be the plan that I want. So I'm even going to swipe one more time, give up on the old swipe idea, just fill in that spot there at the back of the canvas. That is a 12 by 12 canvas, a $1.25 a piece at Dollar Tree. Alright, now I'm just poking some silicone around to get some of that paint to come through. Make it a little easier to see the colors there that are underneath. And no particular place, just randomly. And I'm going to stretch this paint to all the sides of the canvas. Let it run around. Again, the reasons. 1, it'll dry a lot quicker if I don't have all that paint on the canvas. 2, it's going to open up the spots where the silicone was put on the painting and bring those colors. And with swiping it, with stretching it around like that, it's also going to mix together the colors, and there you can see some orange, you can see some green in the corner, and the yellow stayed, the red stayed, the blue stayed. So I have, there's purple in there too. I have all the colors I was looking for with just 3 colors. Pretty easy to do. Let it keep dripping, and it's starting to look like something there. Abstract, of course. Not intended, of course. Kinda fetusy, feti. I don't know. I think fetus is the plural of fetus. Could probably use feti as well. I don't think that sounds as good. It sounds better with the I with some words, not with fetuses. Feti. Torching it to pop whatever bubbles are in there, and also to help the silicone and the paint bring out the colors. Standard move. Looking in the camera there, trying to get a thumbnail picture, and I believe I settled on a combined 3 of them. Alright, there's a little closer up of the finished product. There you can see down in the bottom right, you can see the dog sleeping. That one looks like a fetus. That pink and blue one right there, those kind of look like outer space flames, asteroids maybe? I don't know. There's a dog again. I don't know why he likes to sleep while I'm painting right there in the middle of the living room, but he seems to do that a lot. And that is going to be pretty much all I had to do. The whole process for that was 10 minutes. I fast forwarded some spots here, but close-up of dog paws. And those would be the thumbnail shots, and that is that.